is this for a game?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Original game by Play Signage.
Okay. Anong ano niya? Is it like sa
Parang D&D siya, sir.
D&D or Warhammer?
Ano lang po siya, parang doon na-derive yung concept niya.
Okay.
So we have our own game rules.
Okay.
Andito lahat ng rules, sir. You want to...
So pwedeng i-scan ito.
Yeah, you can scan it.
You can scan this. Tapos para makita yung rules. Rules. Pare-pareho lang to.
Ito po sa Instagram. You can
Ito
follow
Instagram.
us sa Instagram. And
Tapos nun, so may Shopee, pwede ng ano. So, 3D printed o ano? 3D printed yung ano nyo. Anong material? Resin? Resin na. Yeah, maganda yung ano. Maganda yung quality. Tapos yung ano niya, yung instructions nandito.
Yes, instructions.
Tapos yung figures, bibili individually.
Pwedeng individual, pwede namang by set like this. We have different factions. Itong naka-display, sir, like parang wala pa sa 5% to eh. Sobrang dami namin. Pwede bang bigyan mo na you can look us on our Patreon as well. Patreon and...
Patreon?
My
nice.
Factory. We can have...
Yeah, sige.
We have our original characters.
Ito yung mga ano.
Based. But we launched it internationally first. Then this is the first time we launched it in the Philippines.
Okay, pero this is a locally made game. So hindi kayo gumawa ng sarili nyong dice. Talagang ano lang, yung regular, no? Pero gumawa kayo sarili yung mga markers. Okay.
You can check the names of the characters. They derive from Tagalog words.
Okay.
Like this.
Pero it's nice, ha? So, nag-focus muna kayo to sell outside.
Yes, po.
Tapos ngayon, nilahan na niya ngayon. Tapos na naman ang Patreon ninyo.
Okay naman, sir.
Nag-reach yung goal niya.
Na-reach na, sir.
That's great.
It's still going beyond the goals where we are setting.
Okay, that's nice.
For example, ito po. This is colored printed. Hindi siya pinink.
Kung ano siya?
Sa 3D printer siya, may kulay na. It's been printed like this. It is printed sa UK pa.
Okay.
UK,
It's a special printer talaga na ano.
Special printer.
Wala pang available dito locally. Do you prefer na pinaprint sa labas?
As far as I can tell, wala pang technology dito sa Philippines.
To print in 3D, colored 3D. Okay. Kaya pinagawa niyo pa sa UK. Para
We have partners there in UK.
Okay.
Actually, sir, may mga models na dapat kasama, kaso hindi na nakaabot.
Okay.
Kasama nito. And this is bago pa lang, bago. You can see the details, everything.
Okay. Ganda na.
We colored it and we molded it.
Yeah.
Everything. Namin na ginawa ng lapit din.
Ayaw lang mag-focus, ha? Dali. Ano ba to? Dahil pahawak. Pero ang ganda. Ang ganda ng ano niya. Pero may kayong hand-painted?
Hand-painted?
Wala pa? Wala pa kayong hand-painted?
Pero may mga models kami na ipapapaint.
Yeah.
Like this model. Ito, pinaplano po namin ipapaint. And that one.
Yeah. Ganda na figure. Usually, how much yung ganitong figure?
Mga nasa range 4,000 to 5,000.
4,000 to 5,000 to figure that. Well, the detail is amazing. Ang ganda ng ano niya.
Ito po sa...
Tingnan ng dragon. Sige, tingnan ng dragon.
Ito si Drogon from Game of Thrones.
Ano to? So ito talaga 3D print yan lang talaga. Ito lang Game of Thrones. Oo.
Ito po si Daenerys nasa...
Daenerys. Galing. Nice. I'd like to check out the rules. Yeah, yun ako. Na-video ko naman kanina yung rules eh.
Download it, sir.
Oh,
Naka-PDF form naman sa downloadable.
okay. Sige. Thank you very much. Thank
very
you.
much, sir.
Your name is David?
My name is Jai.
Jai. Hi, Jai. My name is Din.
CEO po namin, Sir Nico.
Okay. Sige. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much, sir.